Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. And in this video, I would like to show and tell you how to find out the name of any song in TikTok. That is, you have found any video and there is music playing, but it doesn't have a title at the bottom. How do you find out? Very easy. To do this, we need to go into TikTok and find the video we want. Then we download the app Shazam. Many people know about it, but not everyone knows that it can recognize the music that plays in our phone. Once we have downloaded the app, we go into our iPhone settings. We find here Control Center, and we look here for the item Music Recognition. We press the plus sign and this function is added to the curtain. Now we go to TikTok. Turn on the video. Next we need to press this button Shazam, and we turn on our song. We pause the song and see that Shazam has already identified the song we want in TikTok. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye.